In this video, we are going to learn about forked line method. Consider this question as an example to learn forked line method. We are studying inheritance of three traits in this cross: height of the pea plant, shape of seed, and color of cotyledon. The phenotypes of parent plants are: these are pure breeding plants. That means they are homozygous for all the three genes. The trihybrid offspring formed here is F1 plant of first filial generation. This plant grows into a tall plant with round yellow seeds. To obtain F2 generation, this F1 plant is self-pollinated. The type of offsprings formed and their probable ratios could be estimated by using Punnett square. But it consumes a lot of time. So it is smart to follow forked line method if you want to estimate the ratios in less time. And forked line method is much easier if you are familiar with just monohybrid crosses. First, let's separate this trihybrid cross into monohybrid crosses. We use this monohybrid phenotypic ratio while writing forked line method. Let's consider the first trait, tall is to dwarf, in the ratio of 3:1. Now this tall plant may inherit round seeds or wrinkled seeds. If the seeds are round, they may have yellow or green cotyledon. Out of 64 probable combinations, how much proportion of plants have tall, round, yellow phenotype? To know this, we are going to multiply their individual proportions. It is 27 out of 64 probable combinations. Now the question is, why are we multiplying? Because the occurrence of these three phenotypes are independent to each other. So we are going to apply multiplication rule in probability here. This rule cannot be applied if the genes are linked to each other, but here the occurrence of these three traits are mutually independent. Even for genotypic ratio, we should remember monohybrid crosses. Let's watch this part of the cross. The plant with homozygous tall genotype may inherit a combination of homozygous round or heterozygous round or wrinkled in the ratio of 1:2:1. This homozygous tall round plant may inherit three different combinations of cotyledon color. Among all the possible genotypes, homozygous tall round yellow genotype may occur at a proportion of 1/64. 64 is the total number of possible types of combinations. Likewise, homozygous tall, round, heterozygous yellow is 2 by 64. Now let's see this part of the cross where the combinations are with heterozygous tall. Heterozygous tall with genotypes of seed shape and cotyledon color. Observe this genotype. It is heterozygous for all the three genes. Let's watch this part of the cross where the combinations are with homozygous recessive genotype dwarf. In exams, if you are familiar with all monohybrid crosses, you can easily guess the ratio without writing the entire cross. Let's see how. Let's find the number of plants with this specific phenotype. Tall is a dominant phenotype, so 3 by 64. White is recessive and axial flowers are dominant to terminal flowers in pea plant. Now try to guess this. Let's find the number of plants with this specific genotype. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe.